Alright, in today's unboxing video, we're going to be talking about cufflinks, a very necessary gentleman's accessory throughout history, really, but especially during the Victorian and 1900s period. Every man would have had a few sets, because that's what holds your sleeves, your cuffs specifically. But on this unboxing video, we actually have two sets of cufflinks that we're just getting. However, you can also make your own cufflinks if you don't want to buy any or you can't find any you like. You can just simply take two buttons, strap them together with some thick wire to a length that would work with the shirt you're working with. You can literally just chop the buttons out of any shirt with a cuff. Now these buttons happen to actually be from the 1810s. I haven't sewn them into anything yet. Eventually I will, but for now I can just use them as cufflinks. Seems like an appropriate thing to open a package with. So the first package, I have no idea which cufflink set this is, as I ordered two, one for me and one for Bill. So let's see if I can not chop myself open.
Again.
I didn't chop it open with this, I chopped it open with that knife that you sharpened. His sharpening skills are too good. It's been bleeding for 3 days. Okay, ooh, how nice of the seller to have put it in a cute little gift box. You want to open that set up?
It's a bag.
Amazing. Those are yours. Those are the ones I got for you. Those
Very
beautiful Art Nouveau gold-filled ones. Putting it in the box was a nice touch because it's harder to crush it that way, as opposed to just throwing it randomly into a bag. Now, it was a close shave with the razor, but I think we did okay.
I also need to sharpen that razor. It's really quite lovely.
This seller did not put them in in a box, and because of that, one's actually been squished. You never just shove cufflinks in a package haphazardly. So that one's squished. That one's still stud-like. This set here is the set I ordered for me. See, they've basically destroyed it. I can try to repair it, but I don't like it. The patent date on this set, I can actually read it. I know I saw a patent in the photos. I don't think I see it. It's just poor lighting in here. Anyway, the patent date I saw in the photos was 1880 something. Trying to get it to focus. Very simple set. I don't know if you guys can read anything in there. It's like you're wearing it like a ring. I suppose one could turn these into rings.
You could.
This set is, I'm guessing, glass rubies, but definitely gold filled. So it's a very thick outer layer of gold. No patent dates. Beautiful Art Nouveau, probably early 1900s. Perfect for Bill.
Yep.
This set that I have on has actually been on the shirt for a long time now. Because I have the French cuffs going on. And this is another common style here to have. The chain design. I really like the chain design. It's highly flexible, whereas the earlier rigid designs, not so flexible. Now these ones would be in my opinion, these are probably early 1900s. They're always touted as being 1800s as far back as the 1860s, but there's no way these are 1860s. Yeah, it's a reverse painted glass horse. Yeah, it's nickel silver, but definitely got to be closer to the turn of the century. But I'm going to give these ones to you since you like horses so much. And we'll see if I can fold my sleeve back in. So now you have 2 sets of cufflinks.
Need a hand?
Should be able to do it myself. Just trying not to bleed all over from that knife cut. Also, this is the damaged one.
The one that got squished in transit?
The seller didn't do anything to protect it. Bubble wrap is not going to protect it. Bubble wrap is to protect stuff like glass. Sometimes, in my experience, cufflinks are actually, they're not big enough for how thick some of these French cuff shirts can be. That's one layer, because these have to go through 4 layers. Thank you. The homemade ones. Now be careful with your wire so that it's not going to tear the shirt. That's one. Once that wire comes through, go. I'll just pop this out here. And here's your own very nice set of cufflinks. Now, obviously, we should not be mixing and matching if we're going to public.
Can make for an interesting conversation starter.
Sure, if you want to be an eccentric. But we're not eccentrics, are we?
Some of us aren't.
No, your coworkers all think you're a time traveler, and everyone seems to think I'm Amish for some reason.
At least you get a general.
Yes, I get generalized. So there's those. And here's these.
At least you get a general crowd.
Oh, I'm sure you feel very crowded in at work.
Occasionally.
Now you have 2 sets, and I have 2 sets, and everybody's happy. So until next time.